Hello guys, and welcome to another shoe cleaning video. So for today's video, we have an Air Jordan 1 High shoe. So official colorway for this one is the Jordan 1 Retro Gold Medal, as you can see. So blue on the leather, white, and on the swoosh is gold. So as you can see guys, the shoe is pretty beat up. So we'll try to clean this first using our Clyde and probably do some retouches, repaint for this one. And let's see what's the outcome. I am thinking of probably changing the colorway to the Lakers colorway, which is near to this one. So let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead guys and start the video. And we are done guys with the cleaning of the shoe. So as you can see, what's left really are just the damages on the leather, as you can see here. So probably the best thing to do for this shoe is repaint, and might as well change this to I'd probably go for the Laker colorway, since this is very near to the purple Laker and it has gold already. So I'll probably go ahead and do that. And by the way, we are using Clyde guys, so this is safe for all leather, especially Jordan shoes, which is mostly leather. Just be careful though, some Jordans are suede, and suede are really prone to bleeding, so just be careful guys. But for this one, the Jordan High this colorway is very easy to clean using the Clyde. You could actually buy the Clyde with brushes, comes with a kit. Probably I'll link the I'll put the link on the description below. Okay, so we'll leave the shoe to dry and see what we'll do next. See you guys. Hello guys, and we are back, and we are on our second part of this video. So we have decided to change the colorway and to a Laker colorway. So we have leather paint from DRIP. So this is the plum, the corn, and the gilt. This will be our colors to achieve that Laker look for this Jordan shoe. So let's go ahead and do this guys. Let's go. Hello guys, and we are done. So here's the purple gold colorway. We actually didn't had a chance to use the corn or the yellow paint. Probably it's just too much colors. We don't want a loud color, so this is it. Last stop is the top coat. To strengthen the paint, we'll apply this is a matte, still from DRIP, and we'll apply 2 coats of this one to finalize our project. Okay. Hello guys, and we are done. So we use DRIP products for this repaint. We also clean the shoe first using our Clyde, and we'll probably put some white laces on this shoe and we're good to go. So you may also want to follow me guys. I am in both Instagram and Facebook, Sneaker Keepers Cebu IG and Facebook. And if you do happen to like this kind of content, please subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys on our next shoe cleaning videos. Bye guys.